So in terms of environmental impact, this is one thing we're very conscious of as a company. Obviously energy costs are at a premium. Everybody's looking at trying to reduce their energy costs, be it either gas, electric. So this is where as a company we're looking at alternative fuels, hydrogen, different forms of using available energy on companies where we can convert that into another form of heat source to save on direct usage of gas or electric. You've got solar energy, wind energy. This is where the ethos of the company in terms of making everything bespoke puts us at the forefront of where we are with the environmental impact, as we're constantly talking to external companies who specialize in being at the forefront of different forms of energy so that we can encompass that into our overall design and package that we can offer to different customers worldwide.